Today's all about highlighting the diversity of Victorian horticulture and what we can do for the Victorian economy, environment and community. Our horticulture industry is so important to Victoria. What we do as a sector and telling that story to our members of Parliament is actually highlighting to them trees, green life, plants are so important to longevity of Victoria.
The horticultural industry, it's really important to the state of Victoria. We were known as the garden state for a reason.
It's about representing propagators, breeders, growers. There's so many attributes to this industry. And for Victoria, it really drives a lot of money back into the economy.
It's about trees and shrubs and the beauty that they bring to their surrounds. It's about how we can help the health and well-being of communities.
We all benefit from a greener environment. We benefit from a cooler climate that is delivered through greenery.
So by investing more in industry, there's going to be a greater opportunity for diverse supply of product and consistency of what we do will be available to the end consumer.
It unites the whole industry. And
it's about bringing a bigger educational picture to what this industry is.
The nation, the state and the individuals become stronger, healthier, and the whole country benefits by more investment and more engagement with gardening and horticulture.